Hello friends, my name is Shantni De. I am an English graduate. I have completed my graduation from IGNOU, Delhi University. So, after my graduation, I decided to start teaching people. Various kind of people I have taught. Like I have taught students from very primary section, kindergarten, etc. First, second, third, fourth standard, which we call primary. After that, also secondary till 12, I have taught various students. Even of graduate level, I have taught. I have my students. So far, they are connected to me. So, regarding teaching English and communication skills, before we teach English, it's important to know how to communicate. After that, we should learn about the language, English language. We need to know the grammars, etc. After that, we need to know how to express words, sentences, and how to deliver it while we talk to someone or communicate with someone. So, there is a difference between talking and communicate. Both of these are different from each other. And so on various things one really need to learn while English is being taught. Well, I have never taught in schools or colleges, but I have been a private tutor for 3 to 4 years, and I have a very keen interest in English language, and this my interest grew while I have chosen English stream as honors in my college time. From that time, learning books, communicating with people, all of this helped me grow interest within me. So this way, I started teaching students. Actually, teaching students was never in my mind. I never planned. So what happened? One day, one of my neighbor came to me and told me, please teach my boy. He needs some guidance. So you are the one I can approach. So please help. So from that day, I thought, okay, let's do it. Otherwise, I never thought of teaching. But for English communication skills, learning all of this, I had always a passion within me. So from that time, things started happening it by itself. As like after from that boy, many people came through him. They loved my teaching, my way of speaking, the way I tell them stories and teach them with that. They really loved it. I hope maybe from other parts of the world people would love it. So this communication skill is really important in this today's time, because communication skill is not only that we talk, how we deliver, how we express. This communication matters not only in school colleges, it also matters in the industries, enterprises, where lots of people gather, accumulate, and discuss various things. So communicating is really a very, very important part of our life. So communication skills is always important, and one really should focus on it. So I hope people would love to know about it and learn about it, and parents would be encouraged to send their students or apply for online classes. Various institutes giving now. So it's a very good approach. I am really thankful to them. So thank you. Thanks everyone. So thank you.